Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade. My name is Ellie, and today we are talking about dental hygiene. Well, sort of. I'm gonna show you 10 things that you can do with toothpaste that don't include brushing your teeth. So let's get started. So you know how your iron can get grimy and dirty and have some weird stains on it? Well, a fix for that is toothpaste. All you gotta do is put a little toothpaste straight onto the iron, and then simply wipe off the stains with a dry rag. If you've got scuff marks on your shoes, toothpaste can fix it. Add some toothpaste. Take a wet toothbrush and scrub along the sole. Then you're gonna take a wet rag and just wipe it off. Good as new. I don't know about you, but every time I use red nail polish, it stains my skin and my nails. Use whitening toothpaste to remove the stains. Apply a little bit to each nail, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll scrub it with a toothbrush. Remove with warm water, and then wipe them dry. Use toothpaste to shine metal surfaces. Put some toothpaste on the damp rag and wipe the entirety of the surface. Use a toothbrush to reach tight spots. Another great use for toothpaste is to clean dust and grime off your tile. All you'll need is a damp rag. Put some toothpaste on the rag and wipe the entirety of the surface. Now, I think this one may be the most useful. You can fill holes in your wall with toothpaste. Just dab a little over the hole, wipe off the excess with a credit card, let it dry, and it's ready to paint. Use a dry cloth and toothpaste to remove scuff marks from your wall. And believe it or not, it can remove permanent marker and crayons as well. Scrub your grimy grout with toothpaste using a toothbrush. Let it sit on the grout for up to 10 minutes, then wipe clean. Use toothpaste to defog your mirror. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste to the mirror. Wipe it clean with a rag, making sure you remove all the streaks, and the next time you shower, your mirror will be fogless. So your stained Tupperware, well, it can be fixed with toothpaste. All you have to do is put a little toothpaste in the base of your Tupperware, scrub around on all sides. Now I'm just gonna stick this in the dishwasher. We gotta be honest with you guys. In the process of shooting, we realized that toothpaste to clean plastic Tupperware doesn't really work. It smells great, but didn't take the stains out. You're better off buying glass and throwing that away. And there you have it, our 9 hacks for toothpaste. Let us know if you have a number 10 in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.